Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to the family room. And today what I have here is, it's a pack of 3 USB-C to USB-C cables. And so I needed some for some charging stuff and things like that. And the ones I had were straight through, ones. And so it was hard to do, on the side. I'll show you what I mean by pushing it up against that. And it comes with 3 different ones. It looks like there's 3 different sizes. This size, little one, a little bit bigger maybe, and then the biggest, or are these 2 the same? I don't know. It's hard to know exactly. Let's see what it say. I don't know. Oh yeah, 1 meter, 2 meters. I don't know. That's what it looks like there. So I'm guessing these are the same one. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 turns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it might be a little bit smaller. One second. Okay, but whatever. So these are USB-C, and what's cool about them is, see this one here, it's got the angle on it. So this one here goes straight into something, and this one here goes angle. So right here, we're in the kitchen, and we have an island right here. And the problem is that when you stick a USB cable in that sticks straight out, we keep knocking into it, and it's a pain in the butt. So this gives us the ability to go to the side so we don't knock into it when we're charging the Oculus and a few other things that are USB-C, and even the laptop and stuff. So that's what this one is good for. So I am gonna give these a thumbs up because I needed it, and I actually tried this one. You can see I wrapped it back up again so I could show you guys the unboxing, but it actually works. So thumbs up from me on this, and this is it. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick these up yourself. This is the Ailun brand. So be sure to get one of these, like this video, subscribe to my channel, you know the drill. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, bye.